So the purpose of this video is to show you a knockdown fitting called a cam lock fitting, and here's a cam lock fitting which comes in two components, really quite small and a bit tricky to see, so just try and focus the camera there. And we're going to talk about how it's joined together, or to assist you in joining a bit of flat pack furniture together. So ultimately we want that to be joined to there. First of all, this particular component has got a screw section on it which goes into the wood, and this is the section that receives the actual cam lock fitting. Now you'll notice on the cam lock fitting it's got this tiny little arrow here and it's got a rotary arrow there, so that means that once it's inserted into the furniture it actually goes like that, and then it's twisted just 180 degrees and that's it. Now you might think, well, how does that work? Well, actually inside here there's actually just try and focus the camera a second. Inside there's actually a cam which looks a bit like this. So as you rotate this component, this line gets closer and closer to the center of the circle, essentially pulling this component in my right hand towards the other one. So wrong way around. That's in there. So as I twist this, it draws this bar into the actual other piece of wood, joining it together. As I say, it only takes 180 degrees of twist to do that. Notice also on here I've drawn a larger version of it. That's where your screwdriver will go. There's the arrow to show you which way it needs to be inserted into the unit, and there's obviously the direction to tighten it. So actually seeing how it works, we'll just grab the screwdriver, pop that in there, couple of turns, and that component is ready to be inserted. That is inserted into a pre-drilled hole in exactly the correct place, which would be CNC machined, and the importance of CNC is so that they line up exactly. If these were a millimetre out, then you wouldn't be able to assemble the furniture. That just push fits in there, and now you'll see again another CNC drilled hole with the screw we've just inserted protruding there. Then the cam lock fitting, make sure it goes the right way around with the arrow. That just pops in there, push, and then it's simply a case of screwdriver and just twist it. That's it, 180 degrees and it's locked. Can't pull that apart now. Okay, so if I just undo that to show you, it comes apart and 180 degree turn, and it just pulls it together, and that's nice and secure. Okay, that's a cam lock fitting for flat pack furniture.